You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. For more names from the Bible that can be a bit confusing if you're struggling with some of those more biblical names, absolutely stay tuned to the channel. We've got more here. So let's break down the pronunciation in English. Shelemiah, Shelemiah. How to pronounce in English? Shelemiah, Shelemiah. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.